watching. It's awesome to see you again. In this future upload, we have this problem. 18 to the power x minus 4 to the power x equals 308, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 308 into two numbers such as 22 times 14. Next, you are going to break down 22 into the summation of 18 plus 4 and express 14 as 18 minus 4. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 18 to the power 2 minus 4 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay connected.